My name is Emma, and I love planning new adventures. I am a young English teacher who needs a long rest. This summer, I decide to visit the beautiful coast of Italy. My friend Julian is a photographer and knows the best places. We sit at my wooden table with a big paper map. Julian points to a small village near the blue sea. I feel a lot of excitement about this wonderful trip. My wavy brown hair is tidy today, and I am happy. Julian wears a khaki shirt and looks like a real explorer. We check the flight prices and find a very good deal. I want to see the old buildings and eat fresh fruit. Julian promises to take many high-quality photos of the landscape. I pack my favorite white blouse and a comfortable straw hat. The 2D Disney World around us feels bright and magical. My expressive brown eyes look at the map with great curiosity. We talk about the Italian language and local traditions today. Julian explains that the weather is perfect in July. I write a list of things to buy before we go. Every day of our vacation is organized on the paper. I am a proactive girl who likes to be ready. Julian laughs and says that we also need some surprises. The morning sun makes the map look warm and golden. I imagine the smell of the ocean and the flowers. We are a great team for such a big journey. My light skin tone glows because I am very energetic. Italy is a dream that is finally becoming a reality. Julian puts his camera in a safe black bag. We are ready to leave our quiet town for a while. The first step of my vacation is successful and logical. My story begins with a map and a warm smile. We arrive at the Italian coast after a short flight. The air is warm and smells like salt and lemons. I see the blue water and feel a great joy. Julian carries a vintage suitcase and looks at the horizon. Our hotel is a small white house near the beach. My soft cartoon features are bright in the midday sun. We walk to the balcony to see the amazing view. The sea is calm and reflects the clear blue sky. Julian takes his camera out to capture this special moment. I put on my sunglasses and feel the summer heat. The 2D Disney style makes the water look sparkling and clean. We decide to go to the beach for a walk. The sand is hot and yellow under my simple sandals. Julian tells me the name of the nearest tall mountain. I am a proactive traveler who wants to explore everything. We see small boats moving slowly on the water today. My wavy hair moves in the soft sea breeze. Julian finds a beautiful seashell and gives it to me. I put the shell in my pocket as a lucky charm. We hear the sound of the waves on the stones. This vacation is exactly what a tired teacher needs. Julian looks happy to be back in his favorite country. Every corner of the village is full of bright colors. I see red flowers growing on the stone walls. My warm smile stays on my face all afternoon. We find a small cafe and order some cold lemonade. The glasses are cold and the drink is very sweet. Italy is more beautiful than the photos on the internet. We are satisfied with our choice of a holiday place. The second scene of my vacation is full of light. Julian rents a small wooden boat for a sea trip. The boat is painted blue and white like the waves. I sit at the front and wear my straw hat. Julian steers the boat away from the busy shore. We move slowly into the deep and quiet water. The sun is bright, but the breeze is very cool. I see some fish swimming near the wooden boat today. Julian stops the motor and we enjoy the absolute silence. I feel like a character in a peaceful Disney film. My expressive eyes see the village from a long distance. The houses look like small colorful toys on the hills. Julian tells me stories about the local sailors and legends. I am a proactive student who listens to every word. We eat some fresh grapes and bread on the boat. The taste of the food is simple and very good. Julian takes a photo of me with the blue background. I am satisfying with the quality of this calm morning. My light skin tone needs some sun cream for protection. We see a secret cave with very dark and deep water. Julian says that old pirates stayed there many years ago. I imagine their adventures and their hidden gold treasures. The 2D cartoon lines of the boat are soft and clean. We stay on the water for 2 or 3 hours. My wavy brown hair is a bit salty from the sea. Julian is a very good captain for our small vessel. We decide to return to the harbor for a late lunch. The boat moves back to the land with a soft sound. I feel very relaxed and full of positive energy. This is the best part of my Italian vacation so far. Our sea adventure is a logical and happy experience. We walk through the narrow streets of the old town. The stone walls are very old and keep the air cool. I find a small shop that sells traditional Italian gelato. I choose a lemon flavor because it is very fresh. Julian takes a photo of a stone arch with flowers. The gelato is cold and melts quickly in the sun. My soft Disney features show how much I enjoy it. Julian prefers chocolate gelato with small nut pieces today. We see an old church with a very tall bell tower. I am a proactive teacher who reads the historical signs. The town is full of history and very quiet secrets. Julian finds a hidden path that leads to a garden. We see many lemon trees with big yellow fruits. My wavy hair catches the light under the green leaves. The 2D Disney World around us is tidy and colorful. We sit on a stone wall and watch the people. Every person in Italy seems to be in a good mood. Julian explains how to take the best sunset photos later. I learn about light, shadows, and professional camera settings. My expressive brown eyes watch his hands on the camera. We find a small fountain and wash our sticky hands. The water is cold and comes from the high mountains. I want to buy a small painting of this old street. Julian helps me talk to the local artist in Italian. We buy a beautiful picture with a purple sunset. My vacation is becoming a collection of lovely memories. The streets are getting dark and the lamps are on. We are happy to explore this stone labyrinth together. The fourth scene of our trip is sweet and cultural. I feel a lot of respect for this ancient place. We visit a very old olive farm on the hill. The trees are hundreds of years old and look twisted. Julian shows me a small ancient coin on the ground. "This is a piece of history, Emma," he says softly. I touch the rough bark of a very large tree. The atmosphere is very calm and full of wisdom today. Julian explains how the farmers make the green olive oil. We taste some oil with fresh bread and salty cheese. My smile is warm because the food is very delicious. I am a proactive girl who asks many interesting questions. The farm owner tells us about his family and his work. I feel a strong connection to the land and the people. Julian takes photos of the shadows under the olive trees. The 2D Disney animation style captures the green leaves perfectly. My light skin tone looks golden in the late afternoon. We see a small cat sleeping in the warm, dry grass. I am satisfied with the peace of this natural place. Julian finds another old object near the farm wall. It is a small piece of blue ceramic from a plate. Every small thing tells a story about the past life. I feel like an explorer in a classic cartoon adventure. My wavy brown hair is messy from the hill wind. We decide to walk back to the sea for the evening. The walk down the hill is easy and very pleasant. I see the first stars appearing in the dark sky. Julian holds his camera bag and walks by my side. Italy is full of surprises if you look very closely. We are a team of curious friends in a big world. This day on the farm is a logical and deep experience. Our vacation continues with many new and interesting secrets. We sit on a stone bench overlooking the quiet ocean. The sky is a mix of bright orange and soft pink. This is the last evening of our wonderful Italian vacation. I feel a little sad but also very happy and full. Julian looks at the horizon and waits for the final light. My expressive eyes see the sun disappearing into the water. I am an English teacher who has a lot of energy now. Julian takes the last photo of the golden sunset today. My wavy brown hair is glowing in the warm evening light. We talk about our favorite moments of the whole trip. Julian liked the boat adventure and the old olive farm. I loved the lemon gelato and the quiet stone streets. We are satisfying with the success of our summer plan. A vacation is a bridge to a better and happier life. My warm smile shows my gratitude to my friend Julian. He was a great guide and a very talented photographer. The stars are bright above the dark Mediterranean Sea. I am a proactive girl who is ready for school again. I will tell my students about the history of Italy. Julian packs his camera and smiles at me one last time. The air is cool and the city lights are very distant. We stand up and walk slowly to our small hotel. My straw hat is in my hand, and I feel light. Italy stays in my heart as a beautiful hand-drawn film. Everything was organized, logical, and very high quality. I am Emma, and this was the best vacation ever. We are ready to return home with many new stories. The story of my Italian holiday is officially finished. The night is quiet, and the dream is complete.
The best comment under this video gets English lessons, completely free. So go ahead and write your comment now.